When comparing Asana versus Microsoft Teams for collaboration, it's crucial to understand how both platforms serve your team's needs. You may think they're just about task management and communication, but they go beyond that. If you're looking for a smooth workflow and seamless collaboration, which one really reigns supreme? Stay with me as we dive into their strengths and weaknesses. First off, Asana shines in task management. It's built for tracking and managing workflows with clear project timelines, detailed task assignments, and customizable views. You can break down complex projects into manageable tasks, set deadlines, and hold people accountable. This makes Asana a powerful tool for project managers, offering an intuitive interface that helps teams stay organized and on top of deadlines. But the one downside here is that while it's excellent for project management, it doesn't offer real-time chat like Microsoft Teams does. So, if your team thrives on communication alongside task tracking, you might feel a bit disconnected. Next thing, Microsoft Teams, on the other hand, is all about communication and collaboration. It's deeply integrated with the Microsoft 365 suite, making it an ideal choice for companies already using tools like Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. With real-time chat, video calls, and file sharing, Teams is a hub for team communication. It also offers the ability to host virtual meetings and collaborate on documents, making it a one-stop shop for day-to-day communication. However, it's not as focused on task management as Asana. While you can create tasks in Teams, the system isn't as robust or detailed as Asana's. If you want serious project management functionality, Teams might leave you wanting more. The third thing worth considering is user interface. Asana's UI is straightforward and visually appealing, making it easy to create tasks, assign them, and track progress. But it can get overwhelming for larger teams with a lot of projects going on at once. Microsoft Teams, however, can feel cluttered with all its communication features, especially for teams who just need a task management tool. Teams is designed for real-time conversations, and its interface reflects that, which can be great for communication-heavy teams, but confusing for those who just want a simple project management interface. Fourth thing, integration. Both platforms integrate with a variety of third-party apps, but Asana has more flexibility when it comes to project management tools, offering seamless integration with Google Workspace, Slack, and Zapier. Microsoft Teams, on the other hand, integrates flawlessly with other Microsoft products, which is a huge bonus if your team already relies on Microsoft tools. So, it depends on what software your team is already using. If you're embedded in the Microsoft ecosystem, Teams may be the better choice. Now, if you're looking to improve collaboration even more, there's a crucial point to make. While both Asana and Teams are fantastic tools for collaboration, if you want a better solution, something that combines seamless task management and real-time communication with no compromises, you might want to look at a third option. After testing all of these myself, I've found a platform that truly combines the best of both worlds, and you can try it risk-free. If you want to unlock the best collaboration tool for your team, one that does it all, task management, communication, and seamless integrations, click the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get access to an exclusive free trial and benefits that are only available to our viewers. Don't settle for less. Try it today and experience the difference.